10 Curious Facts About Parrots. Meet the parrots, nature's vibrant chatterboxes. Did you know they're one of the most intelligent bird species? Their brain-to-body size ratio rivals that of primates. Incredibly, some species can mimic human speech. It's not just repetition, they can understand context too. Parrots are social creatures, forming strong bonds with their flock. They're blessed with longevity, some living up to 80 years. That's a lifetime commitment. Parrots also exhibit left or right-footedness, like humans being left or right-handed. Their vibrant feathers? They're not just for show. They play a key role in communication and mate attraction. Finally, they're the only birds who can eat with their feet. Fascinating, isn't it?